Hello everyone, I am Gyanendra Kumar. We are discussing today time and tense. Children, time is very important but tense. In Hindi we call it काल. काल एंड आई एम ऑल्सो टेलिंग इन हिंदी, काल को अपने बस में करो, तकदीर तेरे कदमों में होगी, तू मुकद्दर का बादशाह हो. इफ यू नो द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ टाइम, इफ यू नो द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ टेंस, certainly you will get victory in all respects, in every direction. That's why I have written here, I have chosen the chapter time and tense today. Time denotes the meaning of the sentence. Very simple. And tense denotes the structure of the sentence. In another word, I have also written here, time shows the time of an action. But tense shows the degree of completeness. In brief, we say that whenever we use the forms of verb, this is tense, and the meaning of sentence is time. But before we start the function, we must know tense and its kinds. I have written here present tense, past tense, future tense. In present tense, we are having four aspects, four kinds. Simple present, present indefinite, you may say, present continuous, present imperfect, and present progressive, you may say also. Now, third one is present perfect, and fourth is present perfect continuous tense. In present tense, the first one is simple present tense. I have written here, the simple present tense denotes present time in its simplest form. Most of the people have its recognition that in any sentence we get in Hindi ता है, ती है, ते है, and structure its structure, subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus object. But we have here some functions it. Now, in any sentence, if we get daily, usually, habitually, generally, per day, often, always, in any word, out of them, if we get, that sentence must be simple present tense. If I get in any sentence usually, and I have to put the appropriate forms of verb, there we will write, there we will keep according to subject. If the subject is in singular, verb must be in singular. If the subject is plural, verb must be in plural form. Now, one point I have here, conditional sentence. Conditional sentence generally starts with if or whether. Still, presently we are discussing present tense. That's why I am telling you, conditional sentence starts with if or whether. If the sentence starts with if or whether, certainly conditional sentence must be simple present tense. An example I can take, if it rains. Don't write if it will rain. If it rains, I shall not go to school. If it happens it would be wrong. Now third point is universal truth, commentary, proverb, habitual action, storytelling, and some other aspects we have. If we have such events, if we have such circumstances, then there we will use simple present tense. One example I am writing here: 2 and 2 makes 4. Another example you can take: slow and steady wins the race. In both examples, I have used here simple present tense, and I have already told you in simple present we use only subject V1 or V5 plus object. Now I have also written here present perfect continuous tense. The event is still continuing and it is yet not completed. Now in perfect, the event is in a completed or perfect format. Now and in perfect continuous tense, whenever we have two preceding forms, the work has already been started, still it is going on, and it has not been completed so far. In such sentences, most of the time we are getting either for or since. Whenever we get period of time, there we use for. And whenever we get point of time, there we use since. For since, if we know, everyone must have watch and calendar inside your home. In any information that you get from calendar and watch, in that situation we will use since. Let us example, it has been raining since morning. Since is coming from point of time. And period of time, apart from these, all information goes to period of time. Now, if you have the real concept of all these, you can make your gap filling very easily. Now with this, I conclude my lecture. In my next class, the rest part of the tense, I will start. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay fit, stay at home.